best labs I see, and it's a first lab going so professional into the medical and aerospace, more particularly in the medical area. We've been in this market from 7-8 years, and past 3 years we are also looking for, hospitals generally don't buy the machines, most of the hospitals. And we also employed a doctor for some time and tried to sell these machines to the hospital. Then we realized that the CT scan and MRI is also not owned by them. They were put on there by contract. So most of the hospitals are saying that if we have a service bureau where we can go and print the parts, that would be amazing. And I think this is the first lab like that. And there are a lot of inquiries in the market, particularly to print the heart, kidney models and all for surgical planning. And we also know that in India there is a lot of congenital heart disease. Babies are born with these, around 1.5 lakh babies are born every year with a congenital heart disease. And such a technology is a boon to them. And it's a very good this thing for doctors. Most of the doctors acknowledge that, but they need some service bureau who can convert that CT scan and print in color and give it. So they are very good with the full color printer, the software, as well as the magics, which can convert that account data. And I'm also glad to tell you that right now they are printing some 40 kidneys, tumor kidneys for AIMS Delhi. So we help them to, work with them, and already I think in another week they will print the first batch, 6 of them. So we are very glad to be associated with them, and I wish you all the best. And we want to see many more machines and many more, softwares here, and much bigger premises very soon. Thank you.